In this video, we are sharing 5 best workouts which will help you to hit your chest muscles and get a good chest shape without any equipment at home. So without further delay, let's start our video. 1. Push-ups. Push-ups are the effective exercise to build your overall chest, shoulder, back and arms even without the gym or with hardly any equipment. There are so many different variations of push-ups, helping you to build muscle and strength at home. 2. Incline push-ups. The incline position primarily works your chest muscles, but you'll also need to engage your core muscles to protect your back. While traditional push-ups work your chest, arms, and shoulders, incline push-ups take some of the pressure off your arms and shoulders to give you a solid chest workout. 3. Pike Pushup. The Pike Pushup is a great exercise for building shoulder strength and improving core stability. This exercise works your shoulders, arms, chest, back, and core, and helps to tone and strengthen your entire upper body. 4. Decline Pushup. The main benefit of doing decline push-ups is building strong upper chest muscles. In a decline push-up, your arms push up and away from your torso. This movement works your upper pecs and the muscles in your shoulders. When done regularly, decline push-ups will help increase your overall upper body strength. 5. Diamond Pushup. Diamond push-ups are also a modified variation on push-ups. It is a compound exercise that provides a workout for your upper body. With proper form, diamond push-ups activates your inner chest muscles, shoulders, and triceps. At last, thanks for watching our video. Please do like, share and subscribe to the channel if you find this video knowledgeable and also want to see our upcoming videos.